Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. A. The central silicon atom in compound Y has 4 bonding electron domains and no lone pairs, resulting in a tetrahedral molecular geometry according to VSEPR theory. Agree. While both compounds exhibit hydrogen bonding, compound Y has more electrons and a higher molar mass than compound X. This creates a larger, more polarizable electron cloud, leading to stronger London dispersion forces and a higher boiling point. Compound X will have the higher vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is inversely related to the strength of intermolecular forces. Because compound X has a lower boiling point of 82 degrees Celsius than compound Y at 98 degrees Celsius, it has weaker intermolecular attractions, allowing more molecules to transition to the gas phase. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.